Video 32. Create 2D drainage in Allplan. This video, I will show you how to create 2D drains on the cross-section of Allplan. On the screen displays cross-section 3.3. First, to know the drainage ditch of the whole project, open the drawing of the floor plan for checking. Double-click on the screen, showing the building structure folder tree. Select the drawing of the roof surface in grey, which is displayed in the reference mode. View the operations performed on the display screen. Next, measure the distance on the reference ground to locate the drainage ditch. Select the command on the toolbar. Measure the distance from the Y4 axis to plus 950. Measure the same distance as the Y2 axis. At the cross-section location 3.3, create a 2D drain for the one-sided position and the other copy position. First, draw a line to position any drainage on the ground. Press Escape to exit the command. Next, draw lines on the section. To draw slanting lines by selecting the Define display mode below the right corner of the screen. After selecting the initial slant, the mouse displayed on the screen according to the slant should show. Do the same with the remaining lines. View the operations performed on the display screen. Cut redundant objects on the toolbar. View the operations performed on the display screen. Hatch materials for fastest drains by select any hatch location. Right-click 2 times the object and the properties will appear. Select the area to be displayed. Draw corner and dim corner details to know the slope of the roof and drainage ditch. Copy to the remaining drainage side. Similarly, make copies for all the remaining cross-section positions. I invite you to watch the next video on how to material hatch for the rooftop of the section.